Good morning, MTHS. I'm Colin Newt.
And I'm Izzy Bressman.
Here with MTTV, where we cover all the important news here at the high school.
Hey Colin, what did you think of our new logo?
It's green.
And?
It really shows our district's new rebranding project, and it really encompasses our Mustang pride.
Speaking of Mustang pride, we would like to congratulate Miss Gormley for being chosen as New Jersey's Educator of the Year. She was selected by the National Speech and Debate Association for her outstanding job as a teacher and being an MVP for forensics.
Thanks, Ms. G, for all your hard work and congratulations. But award season doesn't end there, especially with the newly announced Character Counts Award.
That's right. This award commemorates students who demonstrate excellent character in and out of the classroom.
Congratulations to Megan Testa and Cameron Horn from the class of 2018. Your hard work and dedication to the school has paid off. Congratulations.
Now, for this month's entertainment, let's head over to Entertainment Monthly with Jeff Gallup.
Good morning, MTHS, and welcome to another edition of Entertainment Monthly with me, Jeff Gallup. Let's hop right into the news. The new trivia game HQ is taking over the school. You're given 10 seconds to answer each of the 10 questions with the chance to win a pot up to $18,000. If you could swear you remember that lovable host, Scott Rudetsky, from somewhere, it's probably because you saw him on your mom's Facebook with his original short, Fake Book Covers on a Subway. In movie news, the release date of Deadpool 2 has been moved from June 1st to March 28th, right before the big mouse at Disney buys up the rights to Fox and all of the X-Men. Hopefully, we'll be seeing them in the MCU sometime soon. Also theorized, this might be to prevent competition with the new Solo movie, the Han Solo anthology movie coming out from Lucasfilms. The trailer for that movie will be dropping this Super Bowl Sunday. I can't wait to see it. Well, that's it for this month. Tune in next time for more Entertainment Monthly.
Hey Colin, did you hear something about our school being honored recently?
That's right. MTHS was recently added to the 8th Annual District AP Honor Roll for significant gains, student access, and success.
Our AP program makes up one district of 447 between the US and Canada. And being included in the honor roll since 2015 means the number of students in the AP program has increased as well as their scores.
This achievement perfectly reflects our district's brand new motto, Educate, Inspire, and Empower. Congratulations to all AP students and teachers.
Great job, guys. Now let's head over to the latest on MTHS Sports with Joe.
Thanks, guys. Now that midterms are finally over, let's take a look at what our sports teams have been doing this winter. Both girls and guys basketball has been killing it, largely in part because of the senior leadership on both ends. Both teams will look at a 4 seed in this year's county tournament. As for winter track, Montville's consistent success continues, as senior Yosef Desir recently broke the school record for the 600-meter dash with a time of 1 minute and 22 seconds. Bet you can't beat that. Cheerleading just placed first at their Chiefs competition at Hapakon High School. The swim team is trending upwards, and the bowling team has left the Catarins behind, rolling their way to an 11-1 record. Wrestling, as always, is dominating, led by the two-headed monster of Leardon Lecca and Connor Maytrot. Not a bad time to walk in as AD, huh? Welcome to the family, Mr. G. Keep up the good work, Stangs. Let's hang some banners this year. Colin and Izzy, back to you guys.
And that's all for MTTV. I'm Colin Newt.
And I'm Izzy. Remember, you can watch this show and others on our YouTube page or on the MTHS website.
See you next week.
Wow, nice suit. Zip it, Stanley!
I can see a new horizon underneath the blazing sky. I'll be with you.